Bago ang panunumpa ngayong araw, nanumpa kay Associate Justice Japar Di Maampaw, si Maguindanao del Norte Governor-elect Datu Tukaw Mastura at Vice Governor-elect Datu Marshal Sinswat. Ang detalye mula kay Liz Miro.
Ito ang video ng oath-taking sa Supreme Court araw ng Biyernes, June 13, 2025. Kung saan formal nang nanumpa sa tungkulin sina Maguindanao del Norte Governor-elect Datu Tukaw Mastura at Vice Governor-elect Datu Marshal Sinswat kay Associate Justice Japar Di Maampaw. Kasamang nanumpa ng dalawang bagong halal na opisyal sina re-elected Congresswoman by Dimple Mastura, re-elected Raja Buayan Mayor by Maruha Ampatuan Mastura, Board Members-elect Darwin Panga, Mashur Biruar, Sultan Kudarat Mayor-elect Dato Shamim Mastura, Sultan Mastura Mayor-elect Dato Armado Mastura, Dato Blas Sinswat Mayor-elect Raida Sinswat, kasama si Councilor Dato Sayid Sinswat. Liz Miro, iMinds, Philippines.